Hi guys, the Digital Bee is here again with something interesting for you. All right, how are you doing today? And today I just want to talk about something interesting that I found out. So a lot of people have been super excited about ChatGPT and saying, "Oh, ChatGPT has helped me to do this, it has helped me to do that." I just want you to know that I have something new to share with you about ChatGPT. So stay with me till the end and then you'll find out about this juicy thing. I'm just going to get to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT a particular question and let's see the answer it's going to give to me. All right, so let's go. So this is ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT what is trending today? What is trending today? What is trending today? And ChatGPT said, I apologize for any confusion, but as of my last knowledge update in September 2021, I didn't have access to real time data or the ability to provide current trends. Trends can change rapidly and they depend on various factors such as location, time, and online platforms. So you can see that ChatGPT actually doesn't have real time information. Now let's follow me to something else that I found, okay? Something that you should use if you are looking for something or looking for information about real-time information. Let's just put it that way. All right, so let's just go to Google Bard. Google Bard. Now let's type what is trending today. What is trending today? And then send. And you can see it's actually loading. You can see, sure, here are some of the top trending topics on the internet today, August 23, 2023, according to Google Trends. So tell me, guys, which will you be using? Is it ChatGPT or Google Bard? Let me know in the comments. If this was interesting and helpful to you, kindly let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and then turn on your notification bell so you can actually see whenever I post new content. Thank you and bye for now.